this afternoon. Seen a few wuss-nados, but this one is starting to look evil. And it's getting dark. There it is. That's a big tornado. Oh man. Oh, wow. Alright, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Still on the ground. Wow, look at that. Look at that tornado.
You keep filming that bitch, alright?
Oh my god! Go, Hank, go!
Joe West.
Oh my god. Hank, you gotta go! Hank! You gotta go, Hank!
Bullshit.
Hank, you gotta go! Whoa, Hank, it's coming too fast. Come on. Come on, Hank.
I
Come on,
got it! Get in, Joe West. We're going out. Our dream, dude. We are getting plummeted by hail. There's a big tornado on the ground. It's heading right for us. There's the tornado. Dying. Second tornado of the day. Dying. It's roping out. Look at this thing. It's roping out. It's going to hit
in Nebraska, Custer, and Sherman.
Awesome.
A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the
That
development
sucker's-
of severe weather, including tornadoes.
That sucker's coming towards me.
With damaging winds and close to the watch area. While
Sucker's
severe
coming
weather
right.
may not be imminent,
Oh, I gotta go.
for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later. No weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets have sources for the latest severe weather information.
Man, it's right there.
The National Tornado Warning for North Central Buffalo County and Seoul, Cleasonton, Hazard, and Litchfield. Take cover now.
It's right there.
To an
Look
interior
at that.
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued at 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Look at that.
Warning received. Northern Buffalo County. Thunderstorm capable of 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Large coast tornado. 3 miles.
Ah.
Locations impacted include Hazard and Litchfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado.
Powerful tornado. On May 28th, 2019, the team succeeded.
Another tornado is, that's something to be mindful of.
Oh my God. This is a great road. It looks like it continues. Roll forward. Okay.
There it is.
Okay, Turtle, we're gonna pass you and we'll get to the location on the south side.
It is 550. It's gonna get big really fast.
It looks like it's making a beeline for Woodchester position. We're gonna relocate a few hundred yards south shortly. I think we're clear.
Copy that, we're turning around.
Look at that.
The local in the pickup is about to drive straight into it.
Shaking the car. Shaking the car. There it is.
Homestead looks like it's going to be taking a direct hit, and I'll check it. I'm sure it's empty. Close range, picking up debris. There goes the house. There goes the barn.
Proceeding north, coming in behind Vortex.
I'm going to leave the cameras rolling. I'm just going to make a quick run into this barn, make sure everybody's okay.
Copy that. We have some limited first aid supplies to meet. Yeah, that's a search and rescue at this point, and yeah, let's go with that.
Oh, it's close. Oh, it's close. Ready, Dan?